that's a fly swatter.
But for cooks.
Oh, it's for cooks?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, Grandma.
That's Lulu's box.
Ew, you so dirty.
That's okay. I'll take it. Thank you. Keep going, Mel. What else is in there?
Whoa. You have some. Look at it.
Those are bibs for Jagger.
Yeah, for you.
Ooh,
This
cute.
is that one.
Wow.
A bunny book.
Oh.
Carrots. Like carrots.
Those are light carrots. Yeah, those are cute.
For you.
Thank you. Oh, cute.
A bunny. Carrots.
Let me see. Flip it around. This way. Oh, cute. We can write our ABCs on it.
Yeah. A lamb.
Turn around. They're lollipops.
Yum. Ducky. And I got
It's a ducky. Take it out. Oops.
for me.
Cute.
He's so cool. Oh, a birdie.
Oh, birdie. We'll open them later, okay?
Okay. A bunny?
Oh, they're matching eggs. It's a game.
Yeah, I like it. A big bowl.
Oh my
That's a big
goodness.
bowl for me.
Oh my goodness.
It's so big. Yum. Me Mouse. For a bathtub? For a
Oh, it's
bath-
a game. We can play it outside.
Yeah.
What else is in there, Malpal?
Bunnies?
Easter bunnies for your basket. Let's see. What else, huh?
Wow.
Oh, is that a unicorn?
Another one.
Yeah.
I got two of them now.
Yeah, Aunt Linda gave you one last time, but it was green for St. Patrick's Day.
Slime.
Slime? Oh boy. Cool. 2 colors. Yellow and blue.
And another little book.
Oh, good. We'll color it.
You can paint. Painting.
Oh, you like to paint.
New socks.
Bunny socks. Oh, is that a bracelet?
Yeah, I guess it's a little. No, Mom.